Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making a simple Amish noodles dish. For that I'm going to need a package of egg noodles, 2 sticks of butter, black pepper, and I myself got 2 bags of finely shredded cabbage, or you can take a medium to large head of cabbage and shred it. And assembly is simple. First you're just going to want to put a layer of your cabbage. I guess mine had a mixture in it, but that's okay. A layer of the noodles. You're going to want to melt your 2 sticks of butter. Give it a good splash. Another layer of cabbage. More noodles. A little bit more butter. And last but not least, top it off with remaining cabbage. Now, if it looks like we're overfilling it, cabbage will cook down as you go. That'll need a rest of the butter deposited on top. And this is going to cook for the next 5 hours at low. Now, the recipe specifically said to not take the top off for the first 2 hours. Almost before I forget, give it a really good coverage of some black pepper. Don't worry, we'll be stirring it. We just got to let it do something for 2 hours first. And about 4.5 hours later, this is what we've got. Got some caramelization from sitting on the bottom at times. I personally stopped every hour-ish and stirred it up some. But now the best part's here. We're going to try some on out. Well, I'm going to have to say that it has amazing flavor. I think I put just enough pepper, and I did add some salt to it. But it's a really simple, good little side dish. And as you can tell, I kind of dove into it. But it's worth it. I thought maybe the caramelized parts would come across as burnt. But no, they just add some nice flavor to it. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.